Can you really earn $100 per offer with these secret websites with different wide range of online opportunities on this website for you to start earning? So let's find out if it's possible for you to earn $100 per offer in this video, and you can actually withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal account, and the minimum withdrawal on this secret websites is $2. So we can withdraw less than $2 directly to your PayPal account. Before we find out how you can earn $100 per offer on this secret website, kindly go ahead to my channel and kindly subscribe so you get updated on how you can earn money, how you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. You don't even need a skill or experience for you to start earning with the strategy I uploaded on my channel. So right here is the best time for you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button, and also comment the country you are watching my video from, as this secret website actually work worldwide. So for me to know the strategy I'll be uploading on my channel, so this is the best time you comment the country you are watching my video from, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel, as this will keep you updated on the new strategy for you to start earning and make money online. So right now, let's go over to this secret website right here, as this is the best website for you to earn your first $100 online. So right now on this website right here is called gamecash.gg. This secret website have opportunities for you to start earning over $100 per offer, and what you need to do right here is for you to go ahead and click on the sign up button, input your username, your email address, password, and you can also make sure you use the link in my description box, as this will earn you your first points that you can convert to money and withdraw directly to your PayPal account or other receiving payments on this secret website. So right here, after you sign up on this platform, then you can now go ahead and sign in. And now let me show you on how you can start to earn over $100. People have already earned over this, and I'm going to show you guys the person who have earned over thousands of dollars on this website. So after signing in just like this, you can see right here is in my profile, and this is a new account I create for this video. So right here, I'll be showing you on how you can earn over $100 per offer on this website. So you can go right here. Let me show you someone who have earned the $100 already. As you can see, this person named Michael Blaw has already earned over $100 points, and it has been withdrawn directly to his PayPal account, and currently he has won $25 again just by being the number one as at this month. So he's the most active user who have earned over $100 on this platform, and I'm very sure this person right here just recently registered on this platform this month and has already earned over $100 as a grade on this platform. So right here, as a new user also who is watching these videos, and let me show you guys on how this website work, so you can also go ahead and start to earn the same thing as Michael Blaw already earned on this platform. So you can go ahead after you register on this platform. So let me show you on how you can first earn your first $2.5 for free on this platform. So when you click on the offer by the left button right here, so after loading up the page, there are different categories that you can go. So we have offer us, which can see various offer. There is games, there is survey. But first, as a new user who want to change their balance to at least a minimum of $2, so the first thing you need to do right here is for you to go ahead and complete this simple task, so you can earn points and you can redeem them to you for your reward. So you can go ahead and follow this page, the secret website page on X, on Twitter. You can also subscribe to your YouTube channel, and doing all these simple tasks right here, you get paid for doing this right here. And you can also go ahead and download this application, also install the application. And the last one right here is what can make you $2.5 just by you clicking on it, and this right here is for new user. Are you someone who did not even have an account with this website? And this right here will actually earn you a $2.5. So what you need right here is just for you to click on start task, and this will take you right here to a MoonPay. And MoonPay is actually a cryptocurrency just like a Binance or Bybit exchange where you can actually trade your cryptocurrency. So if you don't have an account with MoonPay, so this is an opportunity for you to earn your first $2.5 for free on this platform. So you earning 2.5, you can actually still withdraw your earnings, as I promised that you can actually withdraw less than $2 directly to your PayPal account. So I'll go ahead and do this right here and also show you guys the update of how I've earned this on my new accounts, so you guys can also follow. So what other ways you can actually earn, or is for you to go ahead and click on the offer awards. So clicking on the offer awards right here will show you different tasks on a different websites that you can go ahead and do, and this right here can work on your desktop, Android, or your iOS. So you can see right here there are different applications which can go. So downloading the application and using it within 90 days as a new user will actually earn you $1.10 and 10 cents. So you can also do this and earn over $5 and also earn $2.91 on this. So different trade, all you need is just for you to complete this offer. And this right here works in desktop, works on Android, and also works on iOS. So this right here is a different offer letter where you can complete offer games. Just go ahead and download different application which will start earning you money to your own PayPal account. So you can see this is a different offer was where you can just go ahead, you select your devices. So this is the second offer wall which can actually just go ahead and do downloading of this application, just like here you says Alibaba. I'm very sure most of us watching this video might have Alibaba already on your phone, and all you need for you to earn it just for you to go ahead and open this application through this link right here and add an item to your cart. Then you earn $0.2 to your wallets. So this right here are free ways for you to earn. As you can see, downloading this application, you just go ahead, download and play the game as far as you can. Then you can earn $7 just by doing this. And these games right here are as simple games you go ahead and download for free on the Play Store or your Apple Store. So this right here is an opportunity for you to start earning on this website. So right here is a free way for you to also earn doing playing games, downloading application, and completing survey, as there are different survey right here also which you can also go ahead and click on. So the next way you can actually earn on this platform is called affiliates. So as an affiliate is that there will be a unique link given to you which you can go ahead and copy this link. So when you copy this link right here, you can go ahead and share it with your friends. So forever points they are also earning, 5% of their endpoints will be given to you, which you can also start withdrawing to your own wallet. So the last one I'll be showing you right here is payouts. So whenever you earn, the next thing you want to do is for you to withdraw your earnings, and you're looking forward, oh, I don't have a PayPal account, how else can I withdraw my earnings? So right here you can withdraw your earnings through this page. You can withdraw through a PayPal, you can withdraw through a Binance also, or Amazon. These are gift card which you can also use to withdraw your earnings. So as someone who have already earned point on this platform and you want to also earn, so this is an opportunity for you to go ahead and click on the free Steam key where you can actually claim a random Steam key for free. So this right here, all you need just a 7 point, which means whenever you earn a $7 on this platform, you can come ahead and earn a free random stick key for free. So this right here are free ways for you to earn over $100 per offer. Doing an offer downloading games, just one or two games, can earn you above already $20, and you can do this every day for you to start earning over $100 just within a month. With this guy, Michael Blaw has earned over $100 points already, and with the price of leaderboard which is going to win over $25 already just by being the number one on the leaderboard as the most active user on this secret website. So people are already earning over $100 as promised on this platform, and all you need right here is just a free time for you to go ahead and click on the offer, complete the simple task, then you start to get paid directly to your own PayPal accounts. So guys, this right here is the best way for you to earn a free $100 for the first time if you are someone who is looking for the best way to start earning. So the next websites I'll be uploading, make sure you don't miss out, as this website are the best websites for free. You don't even need to make any payment, no sign up, or no experience for you to start earning, as this right here are the best ways for you to earn money and make a living and get out your financial freedom from this strategy. So guys, don't miss out and make sure you already subscribe, and like I said, comment where you are watching this video from, as I'll go ahead and make research and show you guys the strategy that will work out in your country. So guys, thank you for watching. So make sure you comment and subscribe, and also share videos to your friend who also like to make money online. So guys, thank you for watching.